Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track radio out of a 1968 Dodge Monaco station wagon. This comes from my friends at Classic Automotives Incorporated in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and they have requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth and USB. So let's make sure everything works before we send it back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our balance and fader controls during talk radio and not get nailed for stealing someone's music. So here we go.
Right around the corner,
There's our AM.
Valley Adult Center Meals on Wheels tax credit program is a way to make a real difference in our community.
Okay, so our original balance.
Valley Adult Center Meals on Wheels, you're helping seniors and homebound
left,
individuals enjoy warm,
right,
nutritious meals right at their
left,
doorstep. A contribution
right,
to the Prescott Valley Adult
okay,
Center Meals on Wheels can qualify you for an Arizona.
Okay, now one thing I didn't mention is that this customer has requested a new harness in place of the original connector, so this is now a 4-speaker radio, meaning we have a hidden front rear fader. It's in the tone control, and I'm going to show how we activate and use that right now. We're going to give our tone control, we're going to rotate our tone control to roughly the center position, and then give it 2 turns upward to activate the virtual front rear fader. So let's try that.
The Adventure Family Comedy, a Minecraft movie, rated PG.
Fix that balance
The Penguin Lessons, a drama comedy,
okay, here we
rated
go.
PG-13. War action thriller warfare, rated R. The fader adjusts.
Okay.
The thriller mystery,
All the way
rated
front.
PG-13.
Rear.
The action thriller working man,
Front.
rated R.
Rear.
That's yours.
Okay.
Q&A quick
Center
flips. With a check of fader.
Fader set. Okay, now we're going to make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Ticket prices by calling your Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a stick. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, I got my radio commercial on a USB stick.
Inviting you to join me for the Brian Kilmeade Show.
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Let's just run down the dial.
But normally we have growing in here.
Porque esa savia. Momentos de vida.
But you can remember, and the heart.
Times by a healthy. It's up to us.
News channel of the Capitol Dome.
If you're a smoker, there are great rates.
Way. We've done this before.
94 Q102.9.
5 years, go to robinhood.com.
Okay, that's quite a few FM stations here. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
I cried a tear so well. Choo-choo train.
Blank spot there.
Still I wonder, is it hush-a-bye, hush-a-bye, bye. I met you, Sonny. You're the hush-a-bye, the dreamer.
Okay, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light lights up. You may not be able to see it, but I can. Yeah, you can just barely see it. Yeah, you can see it peeking through that opening right there as I press and release the button. So got a good dial light as well. So she's ready to go back to the customer. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my options, prices, and turn times, or including options for turn times. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which keeps me on the bench where I can actually get the work done. I don't get anything done on the phone, guys. So I'm happy to talk to you once you've got a work order printed, so that I don't have to answer the same 15-minute barrage of questions from each new customer. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you to my friends at Classic Automotives for your business all the way from Colorado Springs, and we'll see you next time.